There you go, boy.
Getting quick, folks, before I eat all these chops myself.
Go on now.
Hey, I got a gun somewhere. Yeah. Thanks.
With me, boy.
You got a problem there?
Good morning.
God damn, I got
We got a wild one here. Drink up, ladies.
Come on, girl. Follow me.
Good morning to you.
Come on, follow me.
All right, there we go. Oh, Arthur, come here, come over here. I want you to meet our friends.
Pleased to meet you.
Well, ain't you just the toughest teak mountain man?
Oh, you be quiet, Anastasia. Anyone can tell this one is a pussy cat.
Exactly. Yes, he's a pussy cat. Ain't that so, Arthur?
Whatever you say. How much you cost, anyway?
Well, ain't that a nice way to talk to a lady?
Oh, I didn't know I was talking to a lady.
Excuse me.
Well, I must say, you got a fine way with the women, amigo.
Yeah, regular dandy and a charm. Where's Bill?
Oh, man. I dread to think about it. Hey! There he is.
Watch where you're going. Take it
Are
easy,
you about to
pal.
kiss that guy
Take
or
it
punch
easy,
him?
huh?
Oh, and we have our answer.
Come here, you. You piece bastard. Oh, come on. We can handle these fools.
Oh, please stop!
Welcome to Valentine, you bastards!
Stop dancing around and fight.
You're mine now. You wish you never stepped foot in Valentine.
I'll fix this hole.
You're one ugly bastard.
You want to fight or not?
Te voy a romper la cara, cabrón.
We'll sweep you out of the trash.
Who's talking now?
Is that all you got?
Who are you fools, huh?
I'll smash your damn face in. You just gonna watch, Morgan? Hold on down here.
Tommy, stay out of this!
Come here, you little greaser. Enough of your nonsense! You hit like a girl, you son of a bitch. You bum. That'll do it! Arthur, give Javier a hand over there! some help, Morgan! Tommy, stay out of this!
Come here, you little greaser.
I'm gonna end you.
Yeah, hit like a
The hell off me! Oh, he ain't getting up from that! We can deal with these fellers! Go get Javier!
Hey, tough guy.
You want some too, huh? Come on, pretty boy.
Pretty boy, you're kidding me. Pretty boy?
Yeah, you got him now!
Come on. I ain't even started.
Come on now, big boy.
You okay there, Arthur?
Yeah, I got this son of a bitch.
I hope you got more than that.
Okay.
Show 'em how we do it Valentine.
I said that'd be fun, didn't I? Okay.
Put his face in the mud.
What you scared of? Huh?
Knock his head off!
You show him, Tommy.
Stop! Stop! Please! Please! I beg you, stop! Come, sir. You won the fight already. Surely that's enough.
What business is it of yours?
No business. No business, sir, but please, I beg you.
Making new friends again, I see, Arthur.
Look who we found sniffing about. Josiah Trelawney. The very same. Well, I thought you'd gone to New York.
And miss all this glamour. You must be joking.
How are you?
Well, quite well indeed. I went to Blackwater looking for you gentlemen. You're not very popular there, it seems. Ah, Javier and Charles. I've missed you. And Bill looking as well as can be. Gentlemen, always a pleasure.
You're right. We ain't too popular in Blackwater. We left a lot of money there.
And young Sean, it seems.
Sean, you found him.
Yes, I have. He's being held by some bounty hunters, trying to see how much money the government will pay them. I know he's in Blackwater, but there's talk of them moving.
Well, if we step foot in Blackwater... Well, then we're dead men for sure. There'll be Pinkertons all over the place, but if he's alive, we gotta try. Yeah, of course.
It's you they want, Dutch.
Always is. Charles, go find out what you can, carefully. Josiah, take Javier. Arthur, go get yourself cleaned up. Join them when you're ready.
Well, what about me?
Well, exactly. What about you?
What does that mean?
Oh, Bill, come on.